Hey LLTFF family, how are you? It's Llewellyn the Fifth Foodie. It's time for the 4 core plus one more. So the first exercise is going to be your standard curl. Stand and put your arms at a cross position, and then bring your arms close like you're about to fight. So we're going to put our fist up. Second thing we're going to do is get our feet shoulder width and feel comfortable. Stand up tall and drop your arms straight down. Bring them back up like you're in the fight position and drop them straight down. That's going to be your curl. We're going to do 10 of those together. Are you ready? Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're looking great. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now that's your first set. Those are your curls. Now what we're going to do is do the fly curls. Same position, but we're going to flare out our curls to the furthest out right and left position. Again, keep those feet underneath us, shoulder width, stand tall, take a deep breath, and then push your arms far out. Boom. Then bring them back. Far out. Boom. And bring them back. We're going to do 10 of those. Are you ready? Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're looking great. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, good job. Good job. We've done 2 exercises now of the core 4. Now let's move you on to the third exercise. That's going to be the shrug. You're going to do the I don't know, or the shrug. You're going to do 2 of those. First, get back in that fighting position. Feet underneath you, shoulder width. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Drop your arms straight to your side. Ball those fists and be ready to fight. And say, I don't know. I don't know. That's a shrug. Let's do 10 of those together, shall we? Remember, stand up tall. Ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You look great. 6, 7. Come on, push through. 8, 9, and 10. Great job. I love it. That's what you do. That's 3 of the exercises. Remember, curl, flare curl, and shrug. Now we have one more of the core 4, and that's going to be your push-up. The first thing is, you're going to get back into that fighting position. Remember, get those arms up and ball those fists. We're going to stand up tall, take a deep breath, and throw both of our fists out forward, just like that. Now when your fists are out, put your palms out as well. Boom. Now you'll notice you're basically in a push-up position. Bring your palms back to your chest and push back out. Bring it to your chest and push back out. That's a push-up. What we're going to do is 10 of those. These are called air push-ups. Are you ready? Let's do 10 air push-ups. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You look great. 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Oh, way to go. Great job. Now, if you said those air push-ups are pretty simple, guess what? They are. But don't worry about that. We're going to increase the intensity on the next rotation.